Welcome everyone. Today we are going to explore solutions to the issue of the disk is write protected on Windows. The affected drive becomes read-only. You can't perform actions like renaming, creating, or moving content on the affected drive. Even you can't format the drive. The possible reasons for the problem are administrator limitations set deliberately or by Windows, damaged registry entry, affected by virus, encrypted by third-party software. Let's explore some scenarios and fixes for this issue. If a drive is full, it may behave like a write protected. Free up some space on the affected drive. If the drive is empty, or with unwanted data, format the write protected disk. Scan the disk for any bad sectors or file system errors. You can also scan the disk using the command prompt. Scan for viruses. Set account permissions in Windows Explorer. Set policies in the registry editor. Clear read-only attributes through command prompt. After applying the proposed solutions, the write protection restriction has been removed. Hopefully, the solutions provided in this video have worked for you.